Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will show you how to create cinematic AI videos for free using Google Veo 3 combined with Flow and Gemini. In our last video, I showed you how to get a Google AI subscription for free which unlock VEO directly inside Gemini. But today we are diving deeper into a more powerful, dedicated tool by Google. It's called Flow, and it takes your AI video workflow to next level. Okay, let's jump in. First, open your browser and type in Google Flow. Then click this one. And once you're on the Flow homepage, click on Create with Flow, this one. But take a note, you will need an active Google AI subscription. And if you haven't set that up yet, just check the video link in the description. So just click Create with Flow. And then just click on New Project. And this page where the magic will happen. Unlike Gemini, Flow gives you advanced options. It can turn text to videos or frame to videos or even materials to video. That this feature available only for ultra users. Next, just let's start with the text to videos. Before type your prompt, just settings a model first. Click on settings and then choose model. And in this part, I recommend you to use VO3 fast. It balances quality and credit usage because VO3 quality just look amazing, but it's up your credit fast. It's use 100 credits per video. Meanwhile, VO3 fast only use 20 credits per render. So just choose VO3 fast. Also set the output to 1 per prompt to save credits. Now I will paste a prompt that I have generated before using ChatGPT. And then just generate. Okay, the video has been generated. Let's play the videos.
Do you ever think about how we got here? All the time. Feels like yesterday and forever ago at the same time. Do you ever think about how we got here? All the time. Feels like.
And that's the cinematic right. Next, if you want to download it, just click this icon to download. And if you want to build a sequence, just click add to scene. And you will get access to a full timeline like this. And then just click on the plus button. And here you can choose either jump to new scenes or extend the current one. And in this tutorial, I will choose jump to a new scenes. And then I will paste my prompt from ChatGPT again. And then just generate. And okay, let's try to play full videos.
Do you ever think about how we got here? All the time. Feels like yesterday and forever ago at the same time.
Wow, that transition looks incredible, right? Now let's test frame to video feature. In this part, I will upload an image and make a prompt like this. And then just generate. Let's play the videos.
Never thought a girl like me could stand every dreamer out there. Don't stop believing in your story.
And okay, that's it with Google Veo 3 Flow and Smart Credit Management. You can create a high quality cinematic videos even on free trial. You can also monitor your remaining credits by clicks on the profiles, and here you will see your current credit. And you can also access all your creations in your library. Just click on my collections, and here you will see your old videos. Okay, maybe that's it. I hope this tutorial help you? If it did, just give it a like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!